All right, 2019 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro, fully loaded. Customer came in for a radio replacement, and we upgraded him to a Sony XAV-9000ES. This is a mobile ES unit, a high quality stereo with a high sound quality, parametric EQ built in, 5-volt RCA output, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, USB-C. We've got a reverse cam. We also installed a switch down here, and we installed a front camera. So we did it, hit the front toggle, and you got the front, and you hit back to the rear, goes to the rear. Super clean. Retained all the factory steering wheel controls. This is a really nice unit. There's the box. Oh, turn it around. There it is. High-res audio, Sirius XM ready, USB-C, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. There you have it. 5-volt, 3 pre-outs, 3 camera inputs. This is the one, folks. Super clean. Look how it fits in that Metro mounting kit. There you have it. Beautiful truck. Don't forget that front cam. Only at $559.